change of 2, 3 foot, some blue tape on, right now. There you go. When I leave you, I'll be starting, by the photo, you guys find any way you want on site. Once you get shot by someone's blue tape, come out, and take you up to your own inspection. Pretty much it's on blue tape, on the last one standard wing. Any questions?
There we go. Is this the way we can go? Yeah.
I mean, that is decent, but...
Alright.
There we go.
Alright. It is shooting.
This is very different from what it used to be. Yeah? That's new. You couldn't get through from the back before. Right, I'll make the phone because you can literally hold this place forever.
Okay.
But if you're scared, there is a fucking massive safe in here that you can literally fit in. If you can. There you go, keep in the safe. In the safe.
What are we thinking then? Hold here?
Yeah. If you go down either of the sides behind these jewellery cabinets, there is a little hatch at the bottom.
Alright. Oh fuck, that was the wrong gun. Yeah. That one's got glass in it though. Out down the main bit. They're out on the main strip. It might be worth me and you swapping off. You'll be able to shoot through that hatch a lot easier than I can. There's nowhere to use range yet. You've got the hatch there. You can see through a gap here. You can't shoot through it, a gap there, and there's a plexiglass bit there. Something wrong?
Really big M&M fan.
Yeah, I know.
I bet Jesus is fucking crying right now.
Oh, I didn't realise something was happening.
Yeah, reading.
I'll go back. This place master's not fun, it's not good. Huh? I'm sure what my vape is though. Negative. I've got ouch for it. How many people are named Marshall that work here? How many people are named Marshall that work here?
All of them.
Beth.
I wouldn't say it's stick work, it's volunteer.
Any eyes on?
Yeah. So they're out there. Yeah, they're outside, mate.
And over your shoulder, can
Well, that's all right.
Right. There's glass over here.
On the right side to the left. Right. What sounds like a shot there?
Copy.
Oh, damn, fuck's sake.
Covering your thumb. You want another mag, Sam?
I'm fine. You've actually dead. I hope not. It's just working. You got your pistol? Yeah. Well, I've just used that for it. Yeah, I've done it somewhere you face it.
Yeah.
It's more like internal than you. It's not from the hip like again. Maybe my wife goes after.
They're pushing the tool behind. Can we have another man looking backwards? Ready? Can we have one more down here? They just grenaded the store next to us. Okay. Colour? Oh, all right, Riley, calm down. Oh, right. All good. I'm watching right.
I don't know. Fucking lorry. I'm fucking like a peter on the playground.
So you're just in the playground?
Yeah. Sorry there.
Second. One push in. Ollie's got contact. I can see his reflection. Good shit, boys. Right, ready. You need a favour. This pouch is my radio. You need to turn it up, please. Which one's that? Whichever knob doesn't click when you turn it. There's got a button, it's a knob on the top. Yeah, turn it up. Good. Ollie, radio check? Good, yeah, I can actually fucking hear them. Cheers, buddy. Yeah, they're pushing.
Right, to left again.
Yeah.
Chrono.
They're walking! They're walking!
How's it looking on? Joey? You know where he is, Joey?
He's gone right to left again, he's taking left side,
Copy.
down the door.
You won't be able to get them until they push in. I'll keep an eye, I'll tell you when to peek that cubby.
Oh, fucking one tap, is it? Fucking fine. And more arms up and dog back in, that's fucking over the stage working. Right, give up a little bit of the... Very much. Right, in front. You want to cover?
I can't see the board copy from where I am, so if somebody wants to transfer, I haven't got a thought. Oh, we might get some time reading. Reading on contact.
Can we get out of that store?
Reading's not on there, I think, so we might just join them.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking, why don't we make a push out and...
Yeah,
I've got torches.
we need
Hit!
someone down there now.
Dead man!
Push that.
Me and Freddie are making a push. Freddie, there we go. I've got push.
Get the bag, but I'll stop shooting.
Yeah. Pull back, we've got a minute, pull back. Just defend that fucking ring. Yeah, I've got it.
Everyone come back here. I'm going to ignite this guy.
Ready?
Come back, mate.
Pull back.
Mate, they got the ignite and you're gone. So all day long.
Big shout if you get contact, mate, with the next door.
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Sam Keenan, we good? Watching?
I've literally just got here. Fucking handball from again.
Leaving?
I'm coming.
Left side.
Guard the back.
That's right, it's not working.
Yeah, it's not.
Have a look now.